Wait, stop. Do you say it's not matter or it doesn't matter? If you're confused right now, you're not alone. Thousands of English learners make this mistake every single day. But today, on SpeakUp Sessions English Podcast, I'm going to fix this problem forever. Stay with me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakUp Sessions English Podcast. I'm Masu, your English teacher, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today's topic is super important. We're talking about the word matter. This word is used everywhere, in movies, daily conversations, songs, emails, but many learners use it wrong. So today, we will learn the right way to use matter like a native speaker.
Hi, Masu. Hi, everyone. I'm Fizu. And honestly, I'm a little confused about matter. Sometimes I hear people say, it doesn't matter, and sometimes, what's the matter? I don't really understand the difference.
Don't worry, Fizu, you're not alone. Many learners feel the same way. But by the end of this lesson, you will understand matter perfectly, and you'll be able to use it confidently in real conversations. Sound good?
Yes, let's do it.
Great. So let's start with the basics. Okay, Fizu, let me ask you a question. Imagine you are late to meet your friend. Your friend says, "You're late." What do you say?
I say, sorry I'm late.
Good. And then your friend might say, "It's okay, it doesn't matter." Do you understand what that means?
I think it means it's not a problem.
Exactly. When we say it doesn't matter, we mean it's not important. It's not a big problem. It's okay. Let me show you a real conversation.
Masu, I'm so sorry. I forgot to bring your book.
It's okay, Fizu. It doesn't matter. I have another one. Did you hear that? I said it doesn't matter. That means I'm not upset. It's not a big problem. Fizu, can you try using it?
Okay. Masu, I'm sorry I'm late.
It's okay, Fizu. It doesn't matter.
Oh, I understand now. So when someone says sorry, I can say it doesn't matter.
Exactly. You got it. But wait, here's a big mistake many learners make. Fizu, can you say it's not matter?
It's not matter?
No, that's wrong. We don't say it's not matter. We say it doesn't matter. Let me explain why. Matter is a verb here. It means to be important. So when we make it negative, we use doesn't, not is not. Listen carefully. Wrong, it's not matter. Correct, it doesn't matter. Fizu, repeat after me. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Perfect. Again.
It doesn't matter.
Great job. Now you'll never make that mistake again.
I hope so.
Okay, now let's practice more. I'm going to give you different situations and we'll see how to use matter in each one. Ready?
Ready.
Masu, should I wear the blue shirt or the red shirt today?
Does it matter? Both look great.
Wait, does it matter? What does that mean? Good question. When I say, does it matter, I'm asking, is it really important? In this case, I'm saying both shirts are fine. The choice is not very important.
Oh, so does it matter is a question, right?
Exactly. Let's practice. Ask me a question, Fizu.
Okay. Masu, should I study grammar first or vocabulary first?
Does it matter? Both are important. Just start with one.
I get it now. Does it matter means the choice is not so important.
Perfect. You're learning fast. Okay, Fizu, imagine you see your friend. He looks very sad. What do you say?
Are you okay?
Yes, good. But we can also say, what's the matter? This is very common in English. Let me show you. Hey, Fizu, you look sad. What's the matter?
Oh, I had a bad day at work.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
Thanks, Masu. That's kind of you.
So when someone looks upset, worried, or sad, we ask, what's the matter? It means, what's wrong, or what's the problem? Fizu, can you try?
Okay. Masu, you look tired. What's the matter?
Oh, I didn't sleep well last night.
Wow, that was easy. So what's the matter is like asking what's wrong.
Exactly. You're doing amazing, Fizu.
Masu, I broke your pen. I'm really sorry.
Oh, it's okay, Fizu. It doesn't matter. I have another one.
Really? You're not angry?
No, not at all. It doesn't matter.
Thank you, Masu. You're so kind.
See, we use "it doesn't matter" to show we're not upset. It makes people feel better. It's a very kind and friendly expression.
I love this. I want to use it more.
Great, let's keep practicing. Now, let's look at some real-life situations where you'll hear matter all the time. I'll give you mini conversations and you listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, we don't have Coke. We only have Pepsi.
It doesn't matter. Pepsi is fine.
Did you hear that? The person said, "It doesn't matter." That means Pepsi is okay. It's not a problem.
Oh, I use this all the time, but I didn't know I was saying it right.
I sent the email 10 minutes late. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, it doesn't matter. The deadline is tomorrow.
Again, "it doesn't matter" equals not a big problem. Everything is okay.
I really understand this now. You seem quiet today. What's the matter?
I'm just a little stressed about my exam.
I understand. Don't worry, you would do great.
Beautiful. "What's the matter" is used to ask about someone's feelings or problems.
This is so useful.
Do you want the small bag or the big bag?
Does it matter? I just need something to carry my books.
Perfect example. "Does it matter" equals "is the choice important?" In this case, no. Any bag is fine.
Now I feel like I hear this everywhere.
Exactly, because it is everywhere. Now let's practice speaking. Okay, everyone, now it's time to practice speaking. I'm going to say some sentences and I want you to repeat after me. Fizu will do it too. Ready? Let's go. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Good. Again, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Does it matter?
Does it matter?
Perfect. One more time. Does it matter?
Does it matter?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
Excellent. Again, what's the matter?
What's the matter?
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
Great. Repeat. It's okay. It doesn't matter.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
You look sad. What's the matter?
You look sad. What's the matter?
Wonderful. Again, you look sad. What's the matter?
You look sad. What's the matter?
Amazing job, everyone. You're speaking so well. Fizu, how do you feel?
I feel great. I'm getting more confident.
That's the spirit. Now let's learn some important vocabulary. Okay, everyone, now let's learn some useful words and phrases related to today's lesson. I'll teach you 7 important words. Listen carefully and Fizu will help us practice. Matter means to be important. Example, your opinion matters to me.
So matters means is important.
Exactly. Let me give you another example. Grades matter, but learning matters more.
Oh, I understand. Can I try?
Of course.
Your happiness matters.
Perfect. Great sentence. Important. Something that matters a lot. Example, sleep is important for your health.
Oh, so matter and important are similar.
Yes, very similar. If something matters, it's important.
Got it. Practice is important.
Exactly. You're learning fast. Problem. Something wrong or difficult. Example, I have a problem with my computer.
And when we ask what's the matter, we're asking about the problem, right?
Exactly. You're connecting everything. Great job. Worried. Feeling nervous or afraid about something. Example, she looks worried about her exam.
So if someone is worried, I can ask, what's the matter?
Perfect. Yes, you can say, you look worried. What's the matter?
I love this.
Upset. Sad or angry about something. Example, he's upset because he lost his phone.
So what's the matter works here too.
Absolutely. You're getting it. Okay. Fine. Not a problem. Acceptable. Example, it's okay. Don't worry.
This is easy. We use okay all the time.
Yes, and we often say, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Choice, an option, a decision between 2 or more things. Example, you have a choice, tea or coffee.
And we say, does it matter when the choice is not so important?
Perfect. You're connecting everything beautifully. Okay, Fizu, now it's quiz time. I'm going to ask you some questions. Try to answer using what we learned today. Ready?
I'm a little nervous, but yes, let's try.
Your friend says, "I'm sorry I forgot your birthday." What do you say?
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
Perfect. Correct answer. You see your friend, she looks very sad. What do you ask?
What's the matter?
Excellent. 100% correct. Someone asks you, "Should I call you now or later?" And you don't care. What do you say?
Does it matter? You can call anytime.
Wow, amazing. You're using it perfectly.
Really? I did it right?
Yes, I'm so proud of you. Okay, everyone, before we finish, I want to give you 5 quick speaking tips to help you use matter like a native speaker. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Always say, "It doesn't matter," not "It's not matter." This is the most common mistake. Remember, matter is a verb, so we use doesn't.
Got it. It doesn't matter.
Use "what's the matter" when someone looks sad, upset, or worried. It's a kind and caring question. Native speakers use it all the time.
I'll use this with my friends.
When you want to say a choice is not important, ask, "Does it matter?" It sounds natural and fluent.
This is so useful.
Practice these sentences every day. It doesn't matter. What's the matter? Does it matter? The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes.
I'll practice every day.
Listen to English movies, songs, and podcasts. You'll hear matter everywhere. When you hear it, try to understand the context. This will help you learn faster.
That's great advice.
I'm glad you think so. Now let's do a quick summary. Okay, everyone, let's quickly review what we learned today. Fizu, can you help me?
Sure. Okay, so we learned it doesn't matter means it's not important, it's okay. What's the matter means what's wrong, what's the problem. Does it matter? Is it important? And we must say it doesn't matter, not it's not matter.
Perfect. You got everything. I'm so proud of you, Fizu.
Thank you, Masu. This lesson was so helpful.
I'm so happy to hear that. And everyone watching, I hope this lesson helped you too. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching SpeakUp Sessions English Podcast today. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new. Remember, practice every day, use these sentences in real life, don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
And tell us in the comments, what English word do you want us to teach next? We read every single comment.
Yes, and don't forget, practice makes perfect. Keep speaking English every day. Exactly. Thank you so much for learning with us today on SpeakUp Sessions English Podcast. We'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, it doesn't matter if you make mistakes. What matters is that you keep trying. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.